Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I have this beautiful product to show you. This is from Spa LUXETIQUE. It's Ocean Breeze Shower Mousse. I have shown you a product from this company before and they're really nice bath products and skincare products. So I just wanted to show you this from the beginning because it's such a pretty package, and then it has this little zip opening at the top. You pull the tab to open it. And it says, it's bubble time. And this is not tested on animals. It's paraben free, it's phthalate free, it's natural, and it is, there's no residue after you clean your skin. Ultimate hydration, it says. There's hyaluronic acid for deep moisturizing. And it says it has a lovely scent. So let's check it out. It's really nicely packaged. Okay, they sent this over to me free for review. It's just the cutest jar or bottle. It's an aluminum bottle. Is that what you'd call it? It's just so pretty. I mean, look how pretty would that be in your shower, y'all. And look how pretty it is all the way around. And let's see how it works. This is going to be a gel. And then when it hits the air, it's going to start turning into a foam. So let me see if I can put this where you can see it, and then I'll put some on me. And so you press this pump, and let me see. You should hold it straight, upright. You should hold it upright, and see how it comes out like a gel. And then when it hits the air, it starts to foam. And then also you can get it to foam more just by mixing it around. Isn't that so cool, y'all? Can you see that? It's so soft and a great way to moisturize your skin and to shave your legs. And it has a lovely light fragrance. The top notes are lily and bergamot citrus. It's very, very light. If you don't like any of these scents, it's not going to bother you because it's very light. The middle is hyacinth gardenia, and the base is abergris, I think is how you say that, and vanilla. It's just a lovely, nice scent, and it's a rich foam. It says it's a rich foam or jelly gel transformed into rich, bubbling foam. Lather up for a smooth shower experience like no other. And it cools off your skin, and it's deep cleansing, and it soothes your skin. And it is non-drying, and it has hyaluronic acid. So this feels so creamy soft. It's really nice, y'all. So I just wanted to show you this because they sent it over for me free for review. And it is just really nice. I love that it's not tested on animals. It is distributed by Body and Earth, the company Body and Earth, and it tells you how to use it. And it's just, it's very nice, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty to sit in your shower, y'all. So that's it. That is my Ocean Breeze. It's Spa LUXETIQUE. And like I said, I have shown you products from them before, some bath products. It's a nice company. So I'll have them linked below where you can get this, and check it out, y'all. And count your blessings. Bye-bye.